Hi there, today I will be showing you how to add someone else on Dropbox. With the help of this method, you can collaborate with your friend or with your team member. So let's try out this method. The first thing is open the app or the browser in which you want to use Dropbox. Now, you can see I am using it in my computer browser, so I will click on it because my account is already signed in. So that's why it did not ask to sign in again. And then you will see the interface of Dropbox. Now, how can you collaborate with your friend or with your team member for this? You don't have to do anything. Just take a look on the top. You will see the icon of search and invite members. Click on the option, invite members. Once you will click on it, here you can see you are ready to grow. Invite your team to Dropbox. So click on the option, try for free. Okay, now hear what it's saying. It's saying if you want to collaborate with your team member, then you have to purchase a plan, and once you will get the plan, you will get a 30-day free trial, and after a 30-day free trial, your plan begins. Now here you have to choose the plan that suits you, just like standard or advanced. Once you will click on it, here you can see the option of agree and start free trial. So choose the plan and hit agree and start free trial. I will skip everything. Now here is the main part. In this plan, I can invite 3 people. So here, add the email address of that person which you want to invite in your Dropbox. Enter the first one, second, and third, then click on the option Invite. After it, they will notify by the invitation message through their email address, and after accept the invitation, they will be able to collaborate with you in the Dropbox. And that's it.